Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log in into your Janitor AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.janitorai.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Janitor AI. So simply tap on the login option. Once you tap on it, simply type in your email address as well as your password of your account. Once you do this, you can simply tap on the login button and you will get logged in into your accounts in a matter of seconds. So this was an easy step to get logged in into your account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.